trying to fix TV. This is my room, brother's room. So here we go, Dad's trying to fix TV. I need a drink.
Do you know what I want you to find me, Jacob?
Yeah?
One of the silver one.
What silver one?
Silver remote. Okay, these two I don't want them. You can take them downstairs, please.
I will.
I don't want to get messed with it.
Don't worry, you're not gonna mess it.
Give me the one, the white one, like a silver one, the dish.
This?
Okay. Put it here.
Got it.
Okay.
Give me
these
the-
two downstairs, please.
Now? Can I just hold on to it? I'm trying to make a YouTube video. Okay, you guys. Dad is trying to fix the TV. If you guys want to know who I look like, we have an activity. Whoop, whoop, what? Yeah, guys, gotta be the man. Now facing this. Now, Dad, the TV's been broken for quite a year.
Cable.
And here's what Dad's trying to do, guys.
Hold on, Jacob.
Okay, so you guys, let's go in my room for now. Because he's trying to fix the TV. I used to have a TV right here. We're going to put it back again. And now, since we have it, we have Red Ranger. I like this poster because I got it for my birthday. Someone just got me it. And so, let's jump. This is where Jacob sleeps. This is my brother's clothes. We made a deal if I have this room. He puts his clothes in here. And so we made the deal. Well, I will be doing part 2 of Dad fixing TV. And bye.